We offer 3 different polishing tool kits, all based around 3 separate tools from RUPES USA. The first one is our LHR 21 Mark III Ag Kit. This kit includes the 6-inch full-size electric polisher. You get 18 pads. You get 6 blue wool, which are the most aggressive. You get 6 yellow medium wool. You also get 6 yellow foam fine polishing pads. That kit also includes 1 bottle of the DA coarse compound and 1 bottle of the DA fine finishing polish. The next kit that we offer is based around the 3-inch random orbital cordless HLR 75. Similar to the LHR 21 kit, this includes 4 of the blue wool compounding pads, 4 of the yellow wool pads, and 4 of the yellow foam pads. The third kit that we offer is the smallest tool in our arsenal. This is the Nano kit. This can be used in 3 different modes. It can be used in rotary mode, it can be used in 3mm random orbital mode, and it can be used in 12mm random orbital mode. This tool can also use 1-inch or 2-inch pads. So we have different kits and different tools designed for many different places on any kind of equipment or vehicle that you're working on.